Alexa, good morning.
Good morning, it's Christmas Eve. Did you forget about the Christmas challenge?
Oh no, I totally forgot. Alexa, what should I do?
I don't know, I'm a government listening device, not a mind reader.
I think I got an idea.
You're running out of time, you better think of something quick.
I know there's not much time.
Have you thought of something yet?
Yes.
Come on, let's go human.
Okay, let's go. Well, after a bit of sanding, it's done. And it'll be ready for next year's Gatton CNC Christmas Challenge.
You know that looks like a dumpster fire, don't you?
Hey, who asked you?